In this video, I will show you how to change navigation color on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the website that we want to change the navigation color for. And once we find our website, we're going to click on it. Now, on the left sidebar, we're going to go to website. And on the website, we're going to go to the right where we see the website preview. We're going to go to edit. Now, right on the edit, when we hover over the header, you can see that it says edit sidebar. And this is where the navigation is. So we're going to click on edit sidebar. Now you can see once I click on edit sidebar, it has two pop-ups at the bottom that says add elements and edit design. We're going to click on edit design, and we're going to click on these two headers. One says design, one says color. We're going to click on color, and we're going to change this to either gradient or solid. Now you see gradient has background color, solid also has background color, but adaptive has no background color. So we're gonna go to choose solid. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to background color or navigation color. When we choose navigation color, we can go to custom, and then here we can change the color of the items in the navigation. If we want to change the background color, we can go to background, and then here we can also change the color of the background of the navigation. Now that's how you change navigation color on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.